Hey, what is up? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up meta pixel on your website with the help of GTM. So without wasting any time, let's just start with the video. So this is our ad manager account, and this is our website, and this is the Google Tag Manager. And I have already set up this is like website, and I have connected this website with this Google Tag Manager, and you can see this ID as well here. And now this is our ad manager. From here, we're going to set up the meta pixel on our website. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is on the left hand side, you will see this option that's called Event Manager, and you have to press this one. Okay, you can see this like other pixel that I have already set up in the previous time, and now we're going to set up a new pixel. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this button that's called Connect Data. Okay, from here we have to select the data source, and because we're going to set up the metapixels on our website, so we have to select this one that's called web, and press this next button. From here we have to name this data set. So I have named this as a near convo 2, and just press this create button. Okay, now we can see these options that we're going to set up a metapixel. From here, you have to click this one that's called see other ways to set up. And from here, you have to select this one that's called set up manually. And now press this next button. And now you have to choose this one that's called metapixel only. And press this next button again. Okay, from here you will find this like a metapixel code, so you have to copy this one, and after you copy this, you have to go to this Google Tag Manager, and from here we have to click here on this template option. Okay, now from here we have to select this one that's called tags template, and from here we have to select this option that's called search gallery. After pressing the search gallery, you have to search here for the Facebook, and you will find this tag that's called Facebook Pixel by Facebook Archive. And after selecting this one, you have to press this button that's called add to workspace, and click on this add button. Okay, now we have successfully added this template. Now we have to go to this tag section, and from here you can see my previous tag I have already set up, and now we are going to set up our Facebook pixel on this website. Okay, now we have to click on this new button. From here we have to click on this tag configuration, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can find this custom section, and in the custom section you will find this Facebook pixel tag. You have to click on this one, and here you can just put out your Facebook pixel ID. So what you're going to do is just put out a Facebook pixel ID. So let's just extract that one from the code that we have just copied. So this is a code, and we have just copied this, and we have to extract the Facebook pixel ID from here. So I'm going to open a website that's called words counter. Okay, I'm going to paste this code here, and you can see this code, and this is our Facebook pixel ID in the number section, and all you have to do is just copy this one. So I have copied this one, and go to tag manager and paste it here, and all we have to do is just rename this tag. Okay, I have named this as a Facebook pixel ID. Also, we have to set up a trigger as well. So just click on the trigger section and select this all page trigger. And after all the steps, all you have to do is just click on the save button. Okay, now our tag is successfully created, and now we have to submit this. Okay, just click on the publish and this continue button. Okay, now we have successfully published our Facebook Pixel ID on our website. Now click on this workspace button, and now we have to check, or like you can say debug, if our Facebook Pixel ID is set up on this website or not. So how we can do this? Just click on this preview button. It's automatically opened a new tab here, and here you will find your website URL. And now all you have to do is just click on this connect button. Okay, it will also open another tab, and this is your website, and if your tag is like connected successfully, you can check it here. Okay, now we have to check if our Facebook pixel is fired or not. And you can see here, in the tags fire section, you can see all the tag that have fired on our website when our website is opened, and you can see that our Facebook pixel ID is also fired here. And you can see the Facebook pixel ID as well. And another extension, like a Facebook extensions, that's called Meta Pixel Helper, to check if your Facebook pixel ID is set up or not. And you can see here that Meta Pixel is set up on our websites. This is a Facebook pixel ID, and you can check it out here. We have just copied this one. Okay, after setting up the Facebook pixel on our website, now we have to go to this Ads Manager section again, and from here we have to click here on this continue button. Then we have to turn on this automated advanced matched and click on this done. Okay, now our event is loading, and you can see this data set that is already set up on our account. And you can see here that our Facebook pixel is set up successfully. And that's all for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.